I'm determined that we need a food production park on Anglesey. I've been working on this for years, and I'm determined that we get there. It's about creating the capacity to bring people together and make it happen. How do you describe what this place is, what it offers?
So it's a development centre for food and drink business. Doesn't matter what size it is, and it's a place that they can come for advice, guidance, practical support. It's easily accessible, rather than spending time chasing around trying to find that support and then giving up and not actually doing what they want to do. So it's about almost a one-stop shop for advice, support and guidance, and facilities that they might not have access to as well.
And I've been massively impressed by it. We're very lucky in my constituency. We've got the Food Technology Centre at Coleg Menai, the FE college, that provide a lot of that support and product development. How important is it then to have the kind of scale-up facilities, the business units, ready to go to produce food nearby, on the doorstep?
It's critical, particularly from a scale-up point of view, if you've got a variety of different units so that a business can grow. Otherwise they stagnate, don't develop, don't meet the potential that they have in terms of the volume of food, turnover, jobs they can create, the market that they can actually reach out to. So without those facilities, without the space, then they don't really go anywhere. There's huge cost in terms of converting a property premises to something that's food grade for food and drink manufacturing, all the regulations they have to meet. So having something which has been fitted out to a level that allows that easy in, easy out, that sort of plug and play, so they can just get on with that manufacturing they want to do to get them started, get up to a certain level, then you can pay tens if not hundreds of thousands to get a unit ready and still never get that money back.
And then of course you're based as a food manufacturing company, ambitious, wanting to grow among other food businesses. How important is that?
Yeah, it's we've seen it's been quite critical really. You can have food businesses on a park somewhere, industrial unit, with dirty or problem neighbours. If they are on in an area with neighbouring food and drink businesses, they collaborate, they share information, they even share jars or packaging if they're running short. So they have a way of actually learning and working with others, products, maybe sharing products to create new ones, so they wouldn't get that opportunity if they were on their own somewhere.
It's not just about creating food products, it's about creating jobs.
And jobs, yeah. And the more they are able to grow, then yeah, they're and not just in food manufacturing, but also in the allied work. They might need IT, or they might need marketing, or they might need HR support. So there's quite a number of other professions that can work off of within a business, but also elsewhere that can benefit from the businesses growing like that on a food centre, food park.
Dwi wedi gweld yn fan hyn yn Weston Super Mare sut mae o'n gallu gweithio, a mae o'n neud fi yn fwy penderfynol byth. Diolch yn fawr iawn iddyn nhw am y croeso a'r ysbrydoliaeth yn fan hyn heddiw.